Hello viewers! In today's video, I will tell you how can you change your Instagram password. If you forget your password, then how can you recover it? You will learn this in the video. Make sure you watch the video till end. Let's start the video. If you forget the password, then tap on Forget Password. Instagram will send you a confirmation code on your Gmail. Open that code and add that in the Instagram. Then set new password. In this way, your password will change. If you know the password, then type it in the current password box. And then type new password and retype it after it. Tap on Change Password. It will change successfully. If there is any problem, tell me in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video.